In today's video I'll show you how to create website for business using AI. Starting on the Wix Harmony homepage, you will see the central prompt box. I'll click inside it to begin. I've prepared a prompt beforehand, so I'll switch to my Google Docs tab. I'll highlight my text. I want to create a website for a freelance graphic designer named Alex Rivera. The site should have a homepage, a portfolio page, an About Me page, and a contact page. The style should be clean and modern, with a dark color palette. Include a short bio that says, Alex Rivera is a freelance graphic designer based in Manila, specializing in brand identity, UI design, and digital illustration. I'll copy this text, switch back to Wix, right-click, and paste it into the box. Next, I will click the blue Generate My Site button. A sign-up window pops up. I'll click Continue with Google, select my account, and click Continue to authenticate. Now we transition to the Wix editor. On the right, the AI assistant, Aria, is actively building our site. In moments, the layout appears. I'll scroll down to inspect the design, verifying our dark palette is perfectly in place. Next, I'll click the Mobile View icon in the top right corner to preview the smartphone layout. I'll scroll vertically to ensure everything scales cleanly. It looks great, so I'll click the Desktop icon to return to our main view. Let's customize the design. I'll click the hero headline, Alex Rivera, to select it. First, I'll click the Text Styles drop-down to briefly toggle the text from heading 1 to heading 2 and back, just to test the sizing. Then, in the floating menu, I'll click the Color Picker tool and select a bright cyan blue to make the text pop. Next, I'll click the bio paragraph below it. To elevate the tone, I'll click the Ask Aria magic wand icon above the text box and select Change Tone to Professional. Aria instantly rewrites the bio into a polished presentation. Next, I'll scroll down and click the portrait image on the left. I'll click the Replace Image. The media library opens. I'll click Upload Media, and then Upload from Computer, but I decide the original image is perfect. I quickly click the X to cancel the upload, and hit the X again to close the media window entirely. Now, let's expand our homepage. I'll click the Add plus icon on the left sidebar and quickly glance at the Sections menu. However, it's faster to use AI. In the Aria chat panel on the bottom right, I'll click the text box. I'll switch back to Google Docs, copy the text, add a testimonials section to the homepage, return to Wix, paste it into the chat, and hit enter. Instantly, the AI generates a beautifully styled Client Reflections section. I'll click this new section to view floating options, hovering over Generate New Design and Fix Layout, but the design is already flawless, so I click Away. To see the final result, I'll click the Preview button at the top right. I'll scroll down the page, admiring the cyan text, professional bio, portfolio, testimonials, and contact section. Thrilled with the layout, I'll click the Publish button at the top right. A confirmation window appears, and I click Publish again. A success message pops up, and I click View Site. Our live website opens in a new tab. I'll scroll down the live homepage, then test the navigation menu. I'll click Portfolio, then About Me, and finally Contact to ensure all pages are working properly. To finish up, I'll click the Home link to return to the top. And that's it. That's how to create website for business using AI.